Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Kia Sportage GT Line S. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 174 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 32 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 31,000 miles and comes with full service history from Kia. This particular colour is called the Dark Penta Grey and it looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the GT Line S comes with a long list of features, so a few that I'll mention. First of all, you've got the electric heated leather seats, and there's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. You also have the opening full-length glass roof there, so lets in plenty of sunlight for you. Onto the dashboard, you've got your touch screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has Apple Play and Android Auto as well. The steering wheel is also heated, and this car has the automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card you've got your folding door mirror controls and your 4 electric window switches. And then also I see that this particular model has the JBL sound system. The Sportage is a great family car, so easy access there into the back, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers have 2 12-volt sockets there in the back, as well as 2 air vents. And then on the door cards, you also have your controls for your heated rear seats as well, so ideal for the winter months. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 20-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.